So you guys did. Can you guys open and show it where you are?
Sir, we did till Jenkins actually. We were trying
Okay.
to generate the token, but I think it was failing somehow because of the same URL, I guess. So,
So
uh,
okay.
so I
One
think
minute.
we have to create the new one. Maybe. Anupji, have you done that?
No, I am facing the same issue. Even I deleted the previous one that was created by you, and I went to further step. But at first, I'm getting some blank screen. That's why I got stuck over there.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm facing the same issue about Jenkins.
So Jenkins, it's already configured, right? One more time, if we try to do it, I think it will give a error. I think actually, right? One way to do is either you can delete it or and you can reconfigure, right? I can show you this one. If you delete and reconfigure, it should work, right? Is that correct?
Yes, it should. You can delete it from there. Yeah.
Yes, I did that. So previously it was created by you, and I deleted it. Did that.
And you have configured actually, or, this is the one. If I go here and here are the users, right? Yeah. And you guys were able to generate a token here, right? Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Token. This is okay, right?
Yes, Chief.
right.
So
You are not able to do this, or
no, that Anup, Aptamitra Anup, that was done by me only. And after that, I went
okay,
to pipeline. There, I faced some issue.
okay.
Yeah, in here, in
So
each,
here,
yeah, pipeline Anup. So it is going to blank page.
oh, this is working. Uh, this is Anup. You have created this. Who created this?
No, no, that was created by you. Um,
Okay.
um,
Oh, this is has got some problem, Sudesh.
Yeah. It's enabled and then it's going blank, is it, when you click it?
Hmm. What did you create, Anup, here?
Yes, I did that first thing, build configuration. So after that, it went blank.
Can you tell me which, let's, one more time. I'll delete this, actually.
Oh,
This pipeline I'll delete.
yeah.
What is this? Demo 2, right? You did this, is it? Anup?
Yeah, so in that product, I created the driverless car. So
Uh,
after that, in there, I have some three terms I created. So I selected
which
that.
one? Which one you created? The source control start with or something else?
No, first I created this one, this new pipeline title I have given in this product, everything
Uh,
details I have given. Then I pressed enable, so it straight away went to blank.
oh, this one you have done, huh?
That's the first step I have done. So I haven't went through source control builder.
Hmm. Sudesh,
Hmm?
this is a bug, I think, right?
So what was done?
So he has done this one demo release FA demo 2. Then he has done this enable.
Oh, without any.
Without anything, what he has done is he has clicked this one and it has
Oh, okay,
accepted.
okay. Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, now there's enable looks like,
Oh, it's getting enabled also. Uh-huh.
yeah. But but it is coming here.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Yeah, we should put some validation.
So now you see, right?
They got it. Yeah, okay.
Anup, this is a bug in our product, by the way.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
We didn't expect to enable without any components.
Yeah, but we should not have allowed
Yeah,
to
we should not have.
enable it, right?
That's what some validation we need to do. Restrict that.
But this is a major bug.
So Anup is a validation customer.
So we should know. So far, we never.
I've been testing it, but we never thought of it.
So Anup definitely deserves a kudo.
Oh gosh. So now you are able to create. We are able to create. So this actually see here, right? Same issue, right? Oh. I think. Can you open the ticket here? This one. I think we need to address this quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. So Anup will fix that actually.
Yeah.
Other than that, I want you guys to try actually, right? Normally, what we do is we take source control or builder, whichever you want to take, right?
Mm.
But if you want to listen, you have to start with source control,
Oh,
then builder, all the things you can do. Right? If we can try now in front of me, you can create one pipeline. Right? You can share your screen. Hello?
yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'll stop sharing. This is a good catch, by the way. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah.
So you didn't have configuring the Jenkins, right? Is that correct? If I understand correctly, you guys have configured the Jenkins, but you had a problem in creating the pipeline. Actually.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Already that is
Oh,
enabled.
okay.
And which can you go to the PTC there, Anup?
Which one? So,
Product team and configuration.
oh, okay.
That's what I
Yeah,
want.
sure.
So driverless, can you go
Oh,
there?
yes.
Software. Okay, so the one you have already attached, right? Actually, so unless we go and we need to delete at the back end, Sudhish. I think whatever he created, right, to pipelines. In the database, I think we should do that. I think.
Okay.
Uh, so you create with something which is not attached already, right? Actually, I do not know which one you attached to the first pipeline.
I think
This is
you.
fine. Can you go to the pipeline?
Yeah, sure.
UI is the one which you have used already.
Yes, yes. No, why there is no option of save and then
So you have to give the test configuration name, Anup.
Okay. Siddhanaji, in here quality gate should appear, no? That where we will give 100% or 70%.
So can you go starting again or what? Can you click on the SCM? What you have done?
Okay.
No, not that. Here. No. Anup GitHub. Can you click on that? This whole pipeline, no? Can you click?
No, GitHub.
First one. First
one,
box.
right? Yes.
So this is a demo repo and main branch, right? A demo repo is you created, Anup?
Yes, I created.
Anup?
Hello.
Anup, please.
You created this repo or?
Yes, sir, I created.
You have demo repo in GitHub?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Can you go back? Then can you go to sample job? The sample job is there. That's a Jenkins job. Can you go to deploy? That also you are picking up this one, dev environment. Okay, then yeah, this should be okay. Then you can check enable.
Okay. So in here where we will give that failure rate, no, 100%, 70%. Why is not appearing?
That is yes, if you click right, quality gate, follow pipeline to, right, you can give there, yes, right, yes or no.
Okay, in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I got it. Okay.
Either 100% or whatever it is, that's fine. And now enable, right? That is one. I do not know whether this product UI will come because of other bug actually. But let's see what will happen. Can you go to the product UI now? That Anup is there.
Yeah.
Can you go to team commits? So this is your first pipeline.
Yes.
So first pipeline in your DevOps journey. Anup, congratulations.
Thank you.
Right. So basically, I think you need to start extending this, right? Create a different Jenkins job, or even you can create with a custom this one, right? Custom script without creating Jenkins.
Yeah.
Right, all those things here. So little bit beef up your knowledge on the Jenkins, then you can create all kinds of jobs, right? Then we can talk probably next week how to create a Jenkins pipeline. Study little bit of how Jenkins pipeline works actually through scripting and all. Then you can start creating different pipelines. Okay.
Yeah.
And now currently these things are there, but one thing what we do is we'll address the other bug actually, so that it won't repeat. Can you click on the dev actually? So here there is a blue thing is there, no? Blue blinking thing.
This one, right?
Yeah. So you have to enter the manual results, right? Because it's not automated.
Okay.
Can you click on the M? Since we have not configured the format and all, just enter manually, right? Results. Can you go there? We can do this next week.
Okay.
Not here. The other one.
Enter result manually.
Yeah. But if you have JUnit formatted result, you can upload also here. Right. But we don't have that sample results now.
Mhm.
You can put some data, right? Maybe 10 tests executed, 10 tests passed, 0 failed, right? Kind of.
So it's like a yes or no.
Yeah, yes or no.
Okay.
But if you have JUnit format, you can upload that results through this one.
Okay.
Put some data, 10, 10, 0. Right?
Okay.
Two failed, right? Two failed.
Sorry, sir. I didn't get that.
Two failed, right? 10 total.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Oh, okay. Yes.
Something, right? And some comment you can enter, whatever it is, right? Two test failed. Something like that, right? Which is meaningful. Whatever you want to enter.
Okay.
So once it reads it, it will turn into some result. Can you close this one? No, here the cross mark is there, right?
Where, sir? Okay. No. Now it came.
So here two tests have failed, but since you have applied the quality gate 100%, right? Still it moved ahead and told it it's a successfully completed.
Okay.
So if you would have said that no, right, it would have told, hey, it's not successful deployment, right? It would have told, hey, it's a failure.
Okay.
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 So can you close this window? That on that? No, not that. Not that. Here is there no that in the pop-up menu. Yeah. So this is your first pipeline, right? Then you can kind of right now how to create actually.
Yes. So yeah, I need some different script. If I go through it, I will get more idea.
Then Ankur and KTK also should repeat this one to get a fair idea. Then you guys can, right? I'll walk through what all the things you guys can do actually, right?
Sure, sir.
I'll show you our demo environment, all the possibilities. Then you can talk about it. Okay. Then based on that, you guys can experiment whatever it is. If you guys can find something like what other bug came, that will be great. I didn't realize actually that you guys were stuck on that, right?
So you can create multiple jobs, right, sir? Multiple projects and integrate them.
Yes, yeah. I'll show you I'll share my screen now. Hello?
Yeah, sure. I will.
Actually, DevOps is a hot area, right? Manjesh, even if you guys can pick up some service job in this area also, right? It will be great, I think. It's an expanding area. A lot of contracts you guys can do, I think. Right?
Yeah.
And it pays well too, actually. Right? These are all niche skills. So I'll walk through, right, what I have in the demo, right? I have these products, right, different thing, right? See, I have enterprise DevOps, one demo I have created. right? This is a Spinnaker is a deployment tool, right? And another one is our own Jenkins pipeline, Release IQ pipeline, Circle CI pipeline. I'll walk through these things actually, right? Just this is a PTC configuration, right? And this is one of our customer pipelines, right? With the two different teams, right? We prototyped it and show that one. But and another one is we have Juniper, right? That customer, we are deploying that today. That pipeline, how it looks, I'll show you. Then some more things we have created, right? CI/CD, right? 7 different pipelines, right? How it is merging and coming together, right? I can show you some of these things actually. Right? These are the PTC, which you guys know how to create, right? Each pipeline has got associated component under this product team, right? That's why this is needed. Then these are the source control. If you take a look at it now, these many repos we have configured, right? This is a GitHub, right? Multiple GitHubs you can see. Then GitLab is there, right? Then Bitbucket is there, SVN is there, right? Wide variety of the SCM we have configured here, right? To show you, right? Not just a one or two, right? Any type of this one we can configure. And we have used the Jenkins and Circle CI, right? CI engines, right? Two we have configured along with our own inbuilt automation engine, right? And these are the environments we have used actually. And then test is these are the different sample files, right? CSV format, XLS format, CSV, right? Kind of mix of multiple things we have done. We have not configured the bug management in this environment, but we have in a stage. Deployment tool wise, we have configured the Spinnaker, right? These are the configuration we have done, right? If you really take a look at it, so you guys, based on this, you guys can think through the possibilities and keep adding whatever you guys want to do, right? Actually, that you guys can do.
Right, sir.
Then, I'll walk through one of the pipeline. If you take a look at it now, this is a release IQ. Purely based on these components, right? We have created what it is. A Bitbucket is my SCM. Then I have used some Jenkins job using our build component. And then deploy, I have used another job to deploy using Jenkins. Then I have configured the automated test in the JUnit format with whatever the Jenkins runs this, right? And I have set the quality gate 100%, ignore the failure and all. I have done. This is one pipeline, CI pipeline, and this will go and connect to enterprise DevOps. That is this pipeline. Actually, right here, what it is does is it builds it and it will deploy to Spinnaker. Spinnaker is a kind of a deployment tool chain. That's where we use that one and deploy to a stage, then deploy to a prod, actually, production. Right? Same thing if you take Circle CI, right? You take this one, then using our external pipeline, right? We whatever the Circle CI job is there, we'll bring it, then connect to the enterprise DevOps. Then this is what I was telling, right? In Jenkins also you can create a pipeline. If you look at different types of a job you can create, one of the job you can create in the Jenkins is pipeline. Actually. So what I have done is SCM I have taken through external Jenkins, whatever the pipeline I have created, that I am pulling that one and connecting to enterprise DevOps here. So effectively these 1, 2, and 3, these 3 pipelines are connected to the pipeline called enterprise DevOps, right? That's what it is actually, right? Then if you and check how this will look. See, this is a pipeline you guys saw, right? One is ED Jenkins. This is what the Jenkins, right? Then this is release IQ pipeline. Then circles here. All these three things together, it will come and merge here,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
There are multiple pipeline, right? If you take this one, right, there are 7 different pipelines are there. The combination of Jenkins pipeline, our own this one, right? We have created automated test, manual test, all those things we have created in this pipeline, right? If you go here and check it, right? If you take this one, right, we can walk through this one. This is CI one. If you take here, this is one. This is all uses the custom script, actually, right? If you take a look at it, right? This build is there, right? What it is there is this is using that custom script. This one we have put some script, actually, right? And the same thing with the deploy also. There is some script we have. We are not using here Jenkins job at all. It's our own inbuilt automation engine, right? Using that, we are putting some scripts here. Right? Then after that, some manual test, right? We have created this configuration of XLS in the setting. That format we are associating, actually, right? And this you can enter manually. Also, you can import these test results using this XLS. Right? That's it. Like this, we have around 7 pipelines. If you take a look at it, no, all these things are connected to eventually this pipeline. This is what is the pipeline, right? Prod, then deploy, then automated test, then it will copy the field, then somebody has to approve, right? Then deploy to stage, then it will run some automated test, then manual test followed by manual test. Then somebody will check whether these results are okay. Then after that, it will move into next stage and deploy to the production. Actually. So in this pipeline, if you take a look at it, it just uses the Jenkins and automated test, right? Like this, we have different combinations we have created. C3, if you take a look at it, it builds, deploys it, then run the automated test followed by manual test, then upload the custom build to some using custom script, then connect to the pipeline, right? And C4 also is like this, right? Some Jenkins job, then deploy, then it runs a manual test followed by some automated test, then it connects, right? Then C5, what it does is it builds, deploys it, then automated followed by manual, automated followed by manual of a different format, then automated followed by manual of another format. XLS format, CSV format. So that way, no, we are trying to show you we have different capabilities to do multiple of these things. Then C6, if you go, this is purely a Jenkins external pipeline, which is already there and connected to this one. And C7 is it starts with SCM and then it pulls the Jenkins external pipeline and connect it to the pipeline, right? So all these things are created to show CI/CD job. Like that, you can create independent pipeline also. Like that, this simple pipeline, whatever Anup you created, right? Something similar to that. Right. This is one of our customer pipeline. Look this, right? They kind of daily build they do, right? Then they pull from some FTP, the Google Sheet, some information they pull, then deploy into some dev. They then manual automated test, manual test. This pipeline had changed, but initially that's how these guys started actually, right? So what I'm suggesting is you guys can create this kind of configuration and make sure, right, you know how this solution works. Then you can go and start showing it to your customers, right? And these are the possibilities and all, right? Then if you come here, one is you guys have seen this insights, right? These insights will come, right? Mainly commits of how many commits have come. and what is the team productivity, deployment per day, deployment lead time, right? More of a DevOps metrics, these things. But here is the execution, right? If you take a look at it, I'll show you some of these things. So here, if you take, I have test results, right? You take a look at this one. One of the pipeline, it built, deployed, and in this, it tested around test suites, 10 test suites, right? Then it tagged that build. Then at a scheduler, it waited for a certain time. Then after that build, then test it. Right, then it does it. Then it is waiting for a approval. Actually, if you take approval, I have along with this, right? Along with this one, there are other components are also waiting here. Other pipeline also came, check-ins, right? These are the things are there. So it is waiting for approval. I can approve and it will start moving forward with this. Because I have verified all looks clean, right? It will start moving. Then after that, it will come here and wait for manual test results. Okay. And here, if you take a look at it, no test results, you can see. No failures are there. None of these guys have got a failure, right? Effectively can take a look at what exactly is there. Right? Like that, you have multiple pipeline, right? Another type of, that's what external pipeline I told, right? And the C3 is it's waiting for some manual upload, I think. There is a bug here, it is not blinking, right? We are trying to fix that. So it is waiting for this manual upload for test results. Okay. Then another one, this is another that whatever we are, our customer wanted this kind of pipeline. There is a project called, there is a job called multi-config pipeline, config job in the Jenkins. So that's what this whole icon will pull it. Okay, and it has internally connected with the one click of a button, this kind of pipeline you can create too using our product. Right? So, now, since you guys have created a first initial pipeline, you can start expanding the possibility of using this tool, right? What all the things you guys can do. Right? That's where I want you guys to start building more and more of these pipelines.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and this is our demo, right? We play around, we create based on this one, and I have shown you guys our production environment, right? This is what we do for our product development. This is where all the check-ins comes for, right? 73 check-ins have come this week. These are real data, right? The other one, whatever I was showing, these are demo data, right? We have automated some of the check-ins. On a regular basis, one script will go and check in. That's why you see all these check-ins and all. Right? But this is real. Our engineers who are working on it, right? Aruna is made the CSS changes, right, and checked it, right? And it is running some test now, actually. Right? Then Balaji has done this. So certain failures are there. What this failure? If I go here. And I can pull the logs, actually. Right, logs are here. And then this troubleshooting, we are trying to bring this data, right? It's not yet completed this development, but eventually if you click here, it will bring the sequence of all the logs. And if you want to go and deep dive into all the logs, you can see here. Different source of the logs are available here. This is what we use for our development. Then Saranya had checked in something, right? Then Nandu, Tamil has done something, right? It's a wide variety of pipelines here. If you take a look at our pipelines, what we are using for our development, these are the 3 teams. 1, 2, and 3 teams are there in our company. And these many pipelines are there. For this, right? The product which you are seeing is developed using the same solution this kind of configuration. These are our software components, actually, what you see. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So then, Ankur and Keti, you guys also should play around, right? And then again, we can sync up next week, Friday, actually, same time, right? I have put a recurrence meeting on this. And in
Sure, sir.
between, if you have anything, just send a WhatsApp message. We can quickly hop onto call and address your concerns.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sir. I wrote Jenkins and I will also create pipelines.
Yeah. The only thing, a lot of material is there. Just you guys need to learn how SCM, right? How to create repos, right? How to create a branches under it, how to check it.
Right, sir.
Then Jenkins jobs, a little bit deep dive into what type of jobs we can create, what are the things we can integrate, right? If you guys do that, then if you understand our test framework settings and all, then you can create many possibilities, right? After that, you can say that, hey, I want to configure in this, right? A schedule like that I can configure, notification I can configure, right? All those things now you can start exploring multiple things, right? In
Right.
fact, you may end up coming back, hey, this feature is needed, that feature is needed, right? Then you can take the same samples and start demoing it to your customers, right? Hey, this is a product we have. These are the possibilities are there. Actually, you guys can use it, right? And some of your colleagues may be working in those companies, right? Hey, we have this automating this workflow is a challenge, right? It will be useful with this product. We can build this kind of workflow. Build that workflow and take it to your customer and show it and convince them to buy a product. Actually, if you guys do that Manjesh knows how to play that game well, I think, actually, right? But you guys need to quickly get there and support Manjesh.
Yeah, sure.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. I feel confident you guys have made some progress, right? Because of some glitches in our product, I think you guys were stuck, actually. We'll fix, but the good thing is that's a good bug to find, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, Manjesh, anything you wanted to see in this?
No, all that I wanted is my team should be up to speed on it so that I can start pitching to customers.
So I think they're close, actually. Now I think they have an account. You saw right in front of you only they created one pipeline, actually. But little bit of this tool knowledge and all is needed. I believe if they spend, they'll become experts, actually.
Yeah.
Right? In fact, you can start selling DevOps as one of your core expertise also, Manjesh. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Right, with these three folks, no, you can go and picking up some of these DevOps services, right? Actually.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Let me check into that also.
Because this is whatever Anup is doing, that's a core expertise. Little bit more time if he spends, he will become DevOps engineer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I will deep dive into it.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
It's a Friday evening. This time is okay for you, all the three of you, because Friday evening, your time. Let me know whichever time works for you guys. I'm okay, actually. Except my time is little bit hectic between 8 to 11, right? During my evening time. Otherwise, any time I can accommodate.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is okay. This time is okay.
Okay. Yeah. If you guys need change also, let me know. All right. I have put a recurrence meeting now, actually. But in between also, if you need any meeting, Anup, you can go ahead and schedule also. Right.
Yeah, sure.
Always add Sudesh. And Sudesh is in Manjesh. I don't know where you know Sudesh. Sudesh is our engineering head in Chennai. We have Chennai office, right?
Yeah. Hello, Manish. Yeah.
He's the managing director there, and also he's an engineering head, actually. And anything you need, you can reach out to Sudesh also. At any local customer engagement, need any help, right? Sudesh is there.
All right.
Yeah.
And we have around 20 people in Chennai office, right? Engineering expertise. They can help you.
Okay. So as of now, some of your customers have started using.
So we have around 7 customer Manjesh today, actually, right? It's a wide variety of use cases we have deployed.
Okay.
Right, and we are expecting at least 3 to 6 customer in next couple of months.
Okay. So if this team also can be plugged into some of the support meetings, it may be helpful.
Not now in the current customer set, right? That's why I suggest if you bring 1 or 2 even POC customers, not paying customer also, right? We can engage Anup, Ankur, Ketki, right, in those engagements.
Yeah.
Right, even they need not pay immediately, right? Even if they are ready, willing to do some POC, right? Find such a customer, then we can put these 3 folks in front of them, and they can support those things. We'll be there along with them.
All right.
Right, but you need to find out 1 or 2 such a folks, actually.
Sure.
Right, and if there is such a customer where I can engage one of these 3 guys, I'll look for that opportunity.
Yes.
Okay, so go and talk to some of your customers, right? Once you guys have got some decent pipeline, and start showing this product to them, right? Actually, they may be willing to try it, right?
Yes. So I'll start pitching to Qualcomm.
Yeah. And the Qualcomm, whom you are talking?
Ashwin. He is the
Okay.
project manager.
So when you talk, can you call me and Sudesh also? We can talk together to him also.
Sure.
I can show the product.
Okay.
Right? He need not buy though, actually. Just listen to us, right?
Yes.
All right. Thank you, folks. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you all. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, sir.